Hey friends, Happy New Year. Here we are at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 2,800 square foot. It's a great looking house. Let's go take a look. This is a really good looking house. Come into the entryway, splits and goes upstairs. You have a half bath right here and an office area that looks out over the front. And you have the laundry room here to the side, 2-car garage, cloak closet, the main living area, got a kitchen area here. Really nice looking corner fireplace. Great looking backyard that backs up into a trail. I've been down this trail and it is really an enjoyable trail, quiet. This is the main living room, main bedroom on the first floor. They've done a good job on the tile, linen closet, her vanity space, water closet, stand-up shower, and the closet. Now they opted here not to put a bathtub right there, but the plumbing is there. You could always run that, but people are getting away from bathtubs. Then this looks up. Beautiful pendant lights. So you have the 1 bedroom on the main floor, an office. You come up the stairs. It's really a great look. Have a gathering room that looks out over the living room. Then you have a media room. You could use this for a kid's study room. Pretty flexible space. 1 bedroom, bathroom shared, another bedroom, big walk-in closet. This house was listed at $733. Now we can get it for $670. In addition to that, we can get 5.5% interest rate. So it's not going to get any cheaper than that. We need to buy this now.